Go ahead, Russell. When
the daylight ends and the moon ascends, I would rather be just the moon and me. When I feel her pull, then my heart is full, and the night is softly, sweetly calling. Faster, look and see. La la la.
Jaden, then Lauren, then Katie, then Brooke, then twist, 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 twist. It's a dream that's coming true. When the moon says I love you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now sing.
Though I'm told it's wrong when I sing my song.
Step back with your right foot.
She accepts.
Step back with your left foot.
She attends.
Step forward.
She believes. She befriends.
Boo-ray turn.
La 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 la.
Gotta stay there. You gotta stay there. Then you drop it.
That's coming true.
Up here.
When the moon says I love you.
Slow bounce. Boom. How does it feel? Step forward.
When love is real.
All of the moon stuff happens, okay? We're skipping to la 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 la. Wave at him. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Wave, wave, wave. And then, hold on. So, remember there's a moon and it's floating off stage. Ready? And you don't get a wave until la 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 la. Yeah, ready? La 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 la. Shanae, turn. It's a dream that's coming. Now go. When the moon says I love, on your knees or arabesque. It's a dream that's coming true. When the moon says I love you.